Discover how AI is not just automating but revolutionizing banking. From fraud detection to personalized services, AI is making financial institutions more efficient and customer-focused. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI is transforming banking operations, replacing traditional methods with smarter, safer processes. Imagine a world where AI-driven systems handle tasks once done manually, reshaping the entire banking landscape. AI slashes onboarding time from weeks to minutes. Smart algorithms verify identities and assess creditworthiness instantly, transforming the customer experience. Personalized onboarding journeys enhance customer satisfaction. AI tailors the process to individual needs, ensuring a seamless start to their banking relationship. AI uses computer vision to verify documents with incredible accuracy. This technology enhances fraud detection by analyzing document features that human eyes might miss. With global capabilities, AI serves international customers efficiently, reducing manual review delays and improving service speed. AI speeds up loan approvals and credit scoring, operating 24/7 without human intervention. This ensures faster decisions for qualified customers. Investment decisions are optimized with data-driven insights, allowing portfolio managers to make informed choices quickly and accurately. AI monitors transactions in real time, catching fraud instantly. Behavioral pattern recognition enhances security by understanding unique customer behaviors. Predictive analytics anticipate and prevent fraud, identifying high-risk activities before they become threats, ensuring customer safety. AI improves credit scoring accuracy by up to 40%, identifying creditworthy borrowers who might be overlooked by traditional methods. Portfolio risk assessment tools identify potential risks, while compliance monitoring is streamlined with AI systems, ensuring regulatory adherence. AI tailors product recommendations to individual needs, offering dynamic pricing strategies that provide competitive rates. Customized communication channels improve engagement, ensuring customers receive information in their preferred way, enhancing satisfaction. Data privacy and security are critical concerns. Banks must balance AI capabilities with regulatory compliance to protect sensitive information. Integration with legacy systems requires strategic solutions. Staff training and change management are essential for successful AI adoption. Recap: AI is revolutionizing banking by enhancing efficiency, security, and personalization. By embracing AI, banks can offer smarter, safer services. Takeaway: by adopting AI, you'll ensure a secure and tailored financial experience, staying competitive in the evolving banking landscape. Call to action: explore AI-powered banking solutions today. Choose institutions investing in AI to enjoy enhanced security and personalized services. Join us in embracing the future of banking. Together, we can create a smarter, safer financial world for everyone.